Hello guys, and welcome back to another game development tutorial. Today we are continuing the shop. I think this should be the last video in the shop. So let's just get started right away, because I've missed 2 weeks of uploading, so let's start. Okay, so first of all, in the scene view, I'm going to go under UI, under main canvas, under shop menu, under buttons, and I just want to duplicate the player health button. So I'm just going to select it and press Ctrl D to duplicate. And I'm just going to rename it to player speed. Oh, I already have player speed. Let's just do bullet speed. Bullet speed button. Perfect. And then I'm just going to drag it down to about right here. That seems good. Then I just want to click on the text, and I want to name it plus bullet speed, and then I just want to set the font size to maybe 50. Yep, that seems pretty good. Okay, here we go. So we have to make another game manager script, or actually function for this. So we're just going to click on the game manager, double click on the game manager script to open it up in Visual Studio. And here we go, loading, and here we are. Okay, first I want to make a header, and I'm just going to name it bullet speed boost upgrade. This might actually be the last upgrade because I can't really think of any other upgrades. If you can, I think you have enough knowledge at this point to actually add them. Yeah, let's just do it. So let's see. Speed boost cost. I think we already have that. Yep, so I'm just gonna call it bullet speed boost cost. I want another public float. And this will be bullet speed boost amount. So the amount of speed that the bullet will gain each time we shoot. So let's just scroll down all the way to the bottom. Right here, I'm going to add a new public void bullet boost button. Then, like usual, we want to say if current money is greater than or equal to bullet speed boost cost. Then, if it is, every time I want I think we're just going to actually set a bullet speed variable in here. Then, whenever the bullets spawn, the speed will be set to this speed. So before I do that, I just want to set bullet speed boost cost plus equals 25, so it gains $25 each time we buy it, so you can't, infinitely buy it, somewhat I guess. Then we want to say current health minus equals bullet speed boost cost. Then I actually want to make this work, so scroll to the very top. And right here, let's say I actually want a public float bullet speed. I do not want this to show in the inspector, just because I don't really want to be tempted to, change the variable. So first of all, the bullet speed, I believe, is at 85, so we're just going to set that equal to 85. I'm going to just check to make sure. Compiling, and here we are. Let's see. Bullet speed is at 100. Okay, so let's set that equal to 100. Then I want to mark this as hide in inspector. Just to be sure, I will set bullet speed is equal to 100 in the start method. Okay, so now if we go all the way back down to this method, I will set bullet speed plus equals bullet speed boost amount. And that's it. I believe we already have the game manager tagged with game manager, so this should be pretty easy to do. Game manager, yep, it's already tagged with game manager. That's what we'll bug with Unity. If the text doesn't show, go into full screen, then exit full screen. And just know you can do that pretty quick instead of by pressing play, max on play. You just have to press shift and space at the same time. That is how you just do that. Okay, cool. So now I will go into our bullet script. Okay, good. Okay. What do the enemy bullets have? What script is that? I just want to make sure before changing anything. Okay, good. That has the enemy bullet script. Okay. Now, I actually want to make the tutorial private now, and I want to just remove that. Okay, good. So, now, I don't think we made piercing bullets yet. I think we might do that. I think that's sort of a, you know, not that exciting of an upgrade, so you just might not do that. You can do it. It's just the same way that we're doing right now. So, yeah. Okay, so, we also want a private game manager. So I'm going to call this game manager. And at the start, I'll set game manager is equal to game object dot find object with tag game manager dot get component game manager. And there we go. Now we have a reference to it. Now, all we have to do is in the update method, right before the bullet moves, I want to set speed is equal to game manager dot bullet speed. And that should be it. Now the upgrade should be working, and it's only been set 7 minutes. What do you know? Oh, that was quick. Just to make sure that everything is working. There we go. I want to go into the game manager, set the cost to maybe 35, and then set the bullet speed amount. I think I want to set that to 50 just so it's more obvious. Because I just want to make sure that this is actually working before we actually make these changes final. Okay, shot. Ah, yes. Okay. So actually, we haven't hooked up the button correctly. So let's just go to the UI, go to the bullet speed button. And instead of player health boost button, we want to set it to actually game manager, and then let's see, where is it? Nope, that's not it. Let's see, what do I call it? Oh, go down. Bullet boost button. That's right. That's right. Okay. Bullet boost, it should be closer to the top. And there it is. Bullet boost button. Now if we press play, if we go to the shop, bullet speed, there you go, it tracks. Bullets, definitely much faster. Definitely. They continue to be very fast. Try it again. Ah, yes, because of speed. Now it will cost $60. And I'm not getting that from doing any math. Just checking right here. Cool. Okay. So now, let's make this variable final. I think I want to set the speed boost amount. Oh, that was at 50. Oh. Okay, I think that's actually a good speed. Okay, so I think actually I kind of want to do piercing bullets. Now I think about it. So public void piercing bullets button. Plus you still have some time. So if current money is less than or equal to, make some new variables up here. It's getting to be a long script. But I think we can actually just highlight that, copy it, and paste it. And I want to say piercing bullets upgrade. And public float bullet speed boost cost. I want this to be, wow, piercing bullets cost. Then we will only be able to buy this upgrade once. So I do want to slash out the button or do something with it, like grayed out maybe, when we've already bought it. Or maybe even delete the button. Okay, then for this one, yeah, that's correct. Piercing bullets amount. I don't think we want that. I think we just want a hide inspector public bullets pierce, I guess, because we don't want to get the piercing bullets and this game manager's piercing bullets confused. Okay, there we go. And then in the start function, I will just set bullets piercing is equal to false. Okay, and then in here, in the piercing bullets upgrade, I just want to finish this if statement. I want to say piercing bullets cost. Then piercing bullets cost plus equal 25. And while we're in here, I think I want to set this to 15 instead of 25. Good. Current money minus equal piercing bullet cost. Then we want to set bullets piercing is equal to true. And I think that's it. We will want to delete the button or do something with it later. That's for later. Sorry, future me. Okay. Let's go into the bullet script. Since we already have a game manager reference, this should be easy. So, in the update, I will just set piercing bullets is equal to game manager dot bullets piercing. And there we go. That is done. We got 2 upgrades done in one video. So now all we have to do is make the button. So we can duplicate the bullet speed button, drag it over there. I want to rename it to piercing bullets button. Change the text to piercing bullets. So the text size maybe 40. Okay. And then we still have to hook it up. So instead of game manager bullets boost button, we want to go to game manager piercing bullets button. Then press play. But first we have to assign these variables. I'll set the cost to maybe 50, because that's what we have for the start. So you have some options to choose for their starting upgrade. Open shop, piercing bullets, good. And I want an enemy up close. Yep, good. It might actually not. Okay, so those pierce. Then we make sure that still doesn't pierce when we have not bought the upgrade yet. Okay, good. And just know that little bullet that you saw fly over there, that one did not touch the enemy. So, just saying. And that is it for this video. We have finally completed the shop. Yay! And next time, we will hopefully finish the game. Maybe. Maybe, I don't know yet. Yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.